Make
Where did he
a
go? Oh, there he is.
narrate about this. What is going on?
There's the stick bug. He's going down his back now.
Okay, some other species they can be bigger than this. Okay? There's one species that can go all the way to 1 feet, to 1 foot.
Yeah. Oh, here it comes. My nephew was here. He had one in his arm that was like this big.
No, I think they were
He's in his armpit.
Oh, was it?
One foot. They can go 1 foot.
Oh, yeah. We were down at the butterfly.
There we go.
We were at a
Are
butterfly.
they related?
Looks pretty
yeah.
official.
Are they related to the praying mantis?
I'm sorry?
Are they related to the praying mantis?
Not the same family, but you know, let's go bigger. It's called order. In the same order of insects, there's the stick bugs.
They
You got a very
Yes, they have like the same.
very real bug from the very real rainforest.
Yeah. You have to try.